Hi guys, very excited today to bring to you guys the unboxing of AirPods Max. Now I've just been able to get my hands on them today. I've been trying to get some, but they're sold out in all the colors everywhere. So without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. So straight off, you'll notice it's got the typical Apple white simplistic box. Very simple, very Apple. Just looks like eye patches for me to put you to bed anyways, especially in black. Alright, now this is the little tab where it opens up from. Okay, makes the job really easy. Okay, so that's out of the way. Let's open this bad boy up. Right, so you've got a couple of grooves there. That's just, this one's indent, this comes out, this one goes in. Alright, let's get the AirPods Pro Max out of the way. Okay, inside the box you get the paperwork, okay, the warranty stuff and how to take care of the product. You also get a USB-C to Lightning charger to charge this thing up, and that's basically it. Alright, now let's look at the headphones themselves. Alright, they don't have a case as such. Okay, this is just paper, and this is a bit of, what is this? This is, I think, is just more paper. Alright, so that's the cover that puts it to standby. It's really luxurious. Has a nice soft feel to it. Knowing Apple, this will not be leather, so I don't know how it'll be in regards to longevity. Okay, whoa, they came off already. Alright, so on the other side you'll have the AirPods. Let's get these off. So you got these things that go inside and hold it there. You've got grooves in there as well. Alright, so that's the front. That's the back. They bang about a lot, okay, as you can see. So that can't be good. These come off altogether. They're meant to come off, so that's really cool and neat to see. Now the thing with them is you can't actually, you can, but it'll tell you that the hole needs to line up to that hole over there. It's got a tiny, not hole, like just a sensor kind of thing that needs to go with that one. So the L will go on L, and the R will go on R, which is over here. Alright, so those are the speakers. Now with the mesh, apparently it's really strong, as you can see. Like, it's not tearing at all. It doesn't, it's made to last. It's quite soft to touch as well. Kind of reminds me of the Apple Watch Sports Loop. And these as well, they're very Apple Watch inspired, especially this little dial you see up here. Now if you look at that little dial, that's what you get on an Apple Watch, and that little button is also what you get on an Apple Watch. Now this doesn't, that's all it does, and it comes out, and that's basically it. They don't do anything else. And they don't go the other way either. Okay, so those are the things you just need to be mindful of the banging about. So far, I'm pretty impressed. It's very minimalistic. It's very fashionable. It's inspired by the Apple Watch. It'll look good with the Apple Watch. Other than that, I think that's about it for this. I'll be doing a review in about a week and a half. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for sticking to the end. Alright guys, so if you want to see more videos and support the channel and you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Twitter, Instagram and Patreon accounts. That helps a lot if you follow them and contribute there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.